In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Zoom subscription in just a few simple steps. We've all been there. You signed up for a subscription, and now it's time to cancel. Whether it's because you found an alternative, need to tighten the budget, or simply aren't using it like you thought you would. Whatever your reason, I'm here to guide you through that process smoothly and without any stress. First things first, you'll need to sign into your Zoom account. Make sure you're doing this through a web browser rather than the app, as it's the most direct way to manage your account settings. This step is essential because your account details and the subscription management options are primarily available on the website platform. Once you're logged in, head over to the admin section in the navigation panel. From there, look for the plans and billing option and click on Plan Management. Navigating to this section is crucial because it's where Zoom houses all its subscription and billing information. It might seem a bit tucked away, but once you're there, you'll see everything you need. Now, under the Current Plans tab, you'll find an overview of the plan you're currently subscribed to. This tab is designed to give you a clear picture of all active subscriptions, which makes it easier to ensure you're working with the correct one if you happen to have more than one plan. Here's where we get into the actual cancellation. Next to the plan you wish to cancel, you should see an option labeled Cancel Subscription. Click on it with confidence, knowing that this won't instantaneously cancel anything on the spot. Instead, it's the start of the process to move you towards ending that particular subscription. Finally, confirm your decision to cancel the subscription. Zoom will prompt you with a confirmation message, which is a good time to double-check everything. Remember, even after confirming the cancellation, your service will still be accessible until the end of your current billing period. This means you won't suddenly lose access, but rather, your subscription simply won't renew. And there you have it. Canceling a Zoom subscription is straightforward once you know where to look and what steps to follow. If you ever decide you need it again, Zoom makes it easy to reactivate your account at any time. Hopefully, this guide simplifies the process for you. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below.